Welcome to all. Question number 6. Last time for the exercise by mistake I wrote question number 6. You make it question number 5 because previous was question number 4, 5, now 6. See, ultimate master question for method of joints. This question will be the king or ultimate for method of joints. So I will solve fully. See, by looking at the sketch, someone will tell, what is this? This much. If they ask me, I will tell, this is how student has to learn. See, actually in this master question, I am covering little more concept. See here, one inclined roller I am giving here. You can see inclined roller. And then, see, either side members are there, inclined force is there. There is some problem here. I will tell you what is that one. So, this is master question for so many reasons. So, but you do one thing, you systematically study. So, write question here. I won't write question, what to do? See, right here. Using method of joints, find axial forces in all the members of the given pin jointed frame. Copy the question. First, copy the question. Do not write anything in the question. Okay. Start. Solution. Start. So, see, actually what happened here is, see, space problem is there. I cannot write big because I have to refer here. That's why little small. See in the laptop. Okay. Solution. First, reaction calculation. Right here. Calculate. You can make a note here. Solution. When you write here, some statement I will dictate. See, every time I cannot tell anything. Calculation of, you write here, solution. First step. Calculation of support reactions. Oh, no, not there. I wrote here, see. Oh, I wrote here already. See. Okay, I wrote here. Okay, solution. No problem. Sometimes I forget. Solution. So, after the question, start from here. Calculation of support reactions. Now, I have been telling this one repeatedly. See, this B is this is B, little big guy right here. This is B, this is D. Okay. This B is hinged support. As I told earlier many times, hinged support will have vertical reaction and horizontal reaction. Both are independent. Very important. Independent. See, both are independent. Why I am telling? Because, see here, a reaction will be normal. Later, we resolve it. So here also, you get horizontal and vertical, but they are not independent. See, they are mutually dependent. If you know that value, you know this value. If you know this value, you know that value. So, see, unknown is only RB here. But here, see, VB and HB. So, make a note. Two independent reaction, let VB upward. See here, VB upward. See later, VB upward and HB right side. HB right side. B respectively you should write vertical and horizontal reactions at hinged support at B right respectively. Okay. Now, don't see this side. That's all. Once you put this statement, continue here. You write here, consider support at D. You make a note, support at D is a roller support, sliding support. See, we know that for a roller support, reaction is perpendicular to plane of the roller. See, if the roller is horizontal, perpendicular becomes vertical. We solved earlier. If roller is vertical, perpendicular is horizontal. See, earlier, when the roller is horizontal, perpendicular reaction R, we call RB, if it is RB, RD, we called it as what? VD. If roller is this way, perpendicular, RD, if it is RD, we called HD. But this time, it is inclined roller. So, right, it is not RB. I don't know why it is not B, one small mistake. It is not a mistake actually, everywhere same mistake. Usual habit, RD. Okay. RD. These things you should not bother. Someone will comment, RD, okay, see, now I have to correct everywhere, RD, okay, no problem, RD, substitute for RD, okay, RD, okay, now done. See, human being, usually what happens is, left support I call A, right support B, habit comes. Left is VA, VHA, if right, VB or VBHB like that, or RB like that. Habit comes. Okay, now ABCD, see here, ABCD is here, ABCD, okay, no problem, right. Let RD be reaction normal to plane of the roller. See, this is the plane of the roller. Reaction normal. Make a note here, very careful. In the question, it is given the roller plane is making 40 degree with horizontal. This is given. Therefore, this reaction, see, this is neither vertical nor horizontal. Now I cannot write this RD as VD or HD like that. This RD makes angle of 50 degrees. Why? See, this plane makes 40 degree, its perpendicular makes 50 degrees. Sometimes what happens is, in a hurry, people make a mistake. See, they will take 40 degree here. So they will write RD here. When they resolve, they will use 40 degrees. But then, if they resolve with 40 degrees, vertical is cos, horizontal is sin. No, we want angle with horizontal. See the right angle triangle here. Actually, this already I told earlier in support reaction. First of all, I need not tell. So if it is 40, normal reaction RD makes 50 degree with horizontal, right? Class. Now do one thing. If I take the reaction this way here, see later, this way, when you take moment, you have to struggle that reaction inclined force into perpendicular distance. Therefore, what we will do is, this RD normal reaction, we will immediately resolve it here. See, RD like this. Use a pencil as usual. See, if you use pencil, left component and up component. Remember, so one horizontal component of RD into cos 50, one vertical component of RD into sin 50. Remember, they are not two independent reactions. There is only one reaction, one unknown, RD. It is not two unknowns. See, here it is two independent unknowns. Okay. This also over. Okay, now, next. Now write a note here. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 inclined forces. So what we will do? All those forces we will resolve into horizontal and vertical component. See, now write a note here, class. Now I will do one thing. Here there is space problem. We have reached a stage where now if anybody, if he or she does not know how to resolve, they are wasting their time attending my class. I told already. See, no use attending my class if you do not know how to resolve. So I will dictate here. See, right here. Consider 20 kilonewton at G. See here, contact point is G. See, this is 65 degrees. You correctly mark that angle 65 degrees here. Now, see, if you use pencil this way and this way, cos, sin, 20 cos 65, 8.452, 20 sin 65, 18.126. Get the answer. Okay, then 30 kN here, see, through the point F here. Mark the angle it makes with the horizontal, nearest horizontal, this angle. Once again 60 degrees. Take pencil, see, right side component and down component. Right side, 30 cos 60, down component 30 sin 60. Okay, this is also clear. Consider 50 kilonewton force. See here, 50 kN force. Or say 1 minute, okay, 60. 50 kN force, they told angle 20 with horizontal, but you write the angle with, they told 20 degree with vertical, but you write the angle, see 50 kilonewton, 1 minute. Is it visible? Board, 1 minute, 50 kilonewton, but you write the angle with horizontal, that is 70 degrees. 1 minute, now I'm checking the board. He said, it has got too much of corner. Okay, no problem. Nothing to worry. Recording is on, no? Recording on. Okay. 50. See, they told 20 degrees vertical. You write horizontal 70. Then use pencil here. Left component and down component. Cos sine. 50 cos 70, 17.101, 50 sine 70, 46.985. This one. Lastly, C. See here. This force they told 130 degree with what? With this side. I told repeatedly never use angle more than 90. See, this is the angle here given. You write the angle with nearest to horizontal. That is, if this is 130, this will be 50 degrees. That much common sense required. Then if you use pencil, see, left and down. Cos sine. 40 cos 50, 40 sine 50, you get these two answers. Okay. Now, resolutions are over. Now draw one more sketch. Actually, big sketch required, but I cannot rub the board because otherwise I have to take a photo, but I can't show you everything. So, right here. See, A, down 20, enter here. Right side 10, no problem. Then, okay, that's all. Then, B is hinged support. Now, there's a problem here. See, make a note. At B, hinged support, what all I am telling right here. See, where I will explain that one. I should explain somewhere that one. Okay. I will explain somewhere here. See, here I will explain. See, at B, you put the usual. See, if you put the hinge, see, make a note here. At B, if you write the usual hinge this way, members are this way. Okay. See, this way is the members. If you use usual reaction, see, suppose usually what you write? You write vertical reaction, VB, horizontal reaction, HB. This way you have to write. But if you write that way, that reaction will overlap with the member. See, later, it's a problem. It will overlap with the member. So what you do is, in such cases, see, whenever a reaction, you see, never overlap. See, suppose, if this side no member is there, you can write here. See, if you say, suppose, imagine this side member is not there, then you can mark here. But either side, see, here, you make a note. Here, either side members are there. So, when you mark, if you write this way, later member force will come. So what you do is, in such cases, you put a little bigger hinge here. See, it's imagination. And slightly shift outwards. Mark here. Actually, it is passing here only. See, it is actually passing here only. So, but what to do? This distance is not considered. It is 1 millimeter. Okay. So, you slightly see, actually, remember that point is here only. When you take moment, don't take this distance. See, here you are right. It will overlap with the member. Therefore, slightly put a bigger hinge and mark here. Okay, then, same way, see here, at G, there is a component, see, at G, 12.126, no problem. This 8.452, if I mark, resolve the if I put this way, it will overlap with the member. Suppose this side member is not there, you can mark this side. But since both side members are there, little bigger hinge you write here, slightly shift here. But even if you shift, it is acting here only. Imagination. Okay. Same thing do here also, see. Put a little bigger hinge and this, which one? 15 kilonewton, enter here. Same thing do here also, see. At C, see, there is one horizontal force of 25.712. If I mark usually vertical, there is no problem. See, if I mark this way, it will overlap with a member force. So shift it here. So this distance, this distance, this distance, this distance is not valid. It is not there. Actually, the force is acting here only, here only, here only, here only. Okay. This much clear. Okay. Now, as usual, right. Distance you mark here. 3, 3.5, 3.2, 3.1. Okay. Now we are going to find support reactions we are considering a coplanar force system. See, method of joint is for concurrent, but coplanar. So now we have got three equations: sigma m0, sigma v0, sigma h0. Usually we apply first. So many people, they apply sigma v, sigma h first. No, I always want sigma v m0 first. Take moment. I repeatedly told you so many times, when you take moment about the point where unknowns are more. See here, at B there are two unknowns. At D only one unknown. They are dependent. Therefore, take moment about B. Sigma m about V0 clockwise positive. Put the finger where? See, very, very careful now. Put the finger here. Those who want, make a note. VB into 0, HB also into 0. Because HB, even if you wrote here, it is 0. One more thing, forgotten. When you enter reaction here, see, roller is this way. See, this way reaction, resolve, at the touching the joint, put the component. See, that I told you, see. RD cos 50 here, and RD sin 50, enter here. Okay, now, take moment about this point. VB into 0, HB into 0, then, see, RD sin 50 into this distance, 3.5 plus 3.2 is 6.7 anti-clockwise. See, over. This is over. Next. Plus 30.642 into 3.5. 25.712 is actually passing here. See, if I extend, it is coming. Even if you see distance here, it is actually passing here only into 0. Don't write this distance. See, this force is actually passing. See, it is like this. Okay, then RD cos 50 also into 0. Then, now start one thing. Variation. Start here. Which is over now? Only this reaction over. Then one more is there. You see, 30.642 into 3.5. I already told you. This side is over. Come this side. Minus 20 into 3. Plus, see, 10 into 3.1 clockwise. See, horizontal force into vertical distance. Make a note, 18.126 is passing here. If we extend this 18.126, it passes here 0. But 8.452 into this distance, 3.1 anti-clockwise. Plus 25.981 into 3.5. 3.5. Okay, interchange. And 15 into 3.1. Both are clockwise. 46.985 into vertical load into this distance is 3.5 plus 3.2 is 6.7. 17.101 into 3.1 anti-clockwise. All are over. Substitute, simplify. See, you take all the terms other side, divide by 6.7. Also divide by sin 50, you get the value of RD, 87.923 kilonewton. Okay, over. Next, after that one, come here. Come here. Sigma V0, upward positive. Now it is very, very easy. Plus VB, plus RD sin 50, minus 20, see, I may not see the same order there. I won't see here. Maybe numbers are interchanged. Minus 30.642, minus 18.126, minus 25.981, minus 46.985 equal to 0. See, then RB substitute for RD, not RB. So see, again problem, RD. This one side, RD, okay, RD. Correction. Substitute for RD, how much? 87.923, but sin is there. Where RD is there, substitute 87.923. You will get VB equal to plus 74.381. It is correct answer. I will tell you why. Then sigma H equal to 0, right side positive. Plus HB minus RD cos 50 minus 25.712 plus 10 minus 8.452 plus 15 minus 17.101 equal to 0. Substitute for RD, whatever you got. See, here also RD comes. Substitute that RD value, you will get HB value, which will come positive. Okay, support reactions are over. 1 minute now. Okay, correct. Over. Now we are ready for method of joint. So full board I am rubbing now. I will tell what I will do. I will take a photo here. Why? I have to take a photo. If I rub, who will remember all this one? I will take a photo here and then star sketch I will write here. Somebody may ask, sir, what is star sketch? No. So somebody commented yesterday, sir, what is that? See, first of all, there is no sir also there. Okay, it is his. That usually, okay, that, see, respect has to come. It can't be demanded. There is no sir also. What is that? I don't know whether sir was there or not there. What is that? DTH, DTS. I put back. Study everything, you will be knowing. He suddenly came to a class. And now we want to know what is DTS. Like in the, see, centroid, Abelco, Eterco. Those who are sincere, they know what I mean by Abelco and Eterco. It is told so many times, 100 times I told. Okay, now it is ready. I will put a star sketch here. Then this question also, I have decided once again to explain. It will take some time, no problem. So that, and one more thing, every joint, this question, I will try to assume the direction for the unknown as much as possible in correct direction. I will give justification for you. But I told you, people who get confusion, you take randomly whatever you want. If you took correctly, plus will come, enter same direction. If by chance your direction is wrong, negative sign will come. When you enter reverse. So that is not an issue now. But I told, willingly, better not take wrong direction. Okay, this much over. Now, one thing forgotten. See, now, before you go further, one last part is pending. Right here. Calculation of angle of inclination for inclined member. I will take this angle theta 1. This sketch only you can use. This angle theta 2. This angle theta 3. See, now, I will enter the answer here only. You should show the calculation, not that way, right? Somewhere outside right here. Tan theta 1 equal to 3.1 by 3. 3.1 divided by 3. Shift tan inverse answer. You will get 45.939 degrees. Not here actually. You write only theta 1 here. Somewhere show the calculation. Next sketch you enter the answer. Okay. Tan theta 2 equal to 3.1 by 3.5. 3.1 divided by 3.5. Shift tan inverse answer. 41.532 degrees. 41.532 degrees. And lastly, tan theta 3 equal to 3.1 by 3.2. 3.1 divided by 3.2. Shift tan inverse answer. 44.091 degrees. 091 degrees. Okay. Now, I will tell you one thing. These reactions are correct because so much of calculation involved, my calculator got problem. So what I did was, after I got all the reactions, I took moment about D. See, I took moment about D. See, when I took moment about B, I got RD. After sigma V0, I got VB. But if I take moment about D, see, I will first get VB. Plus VB into this distance, 3.5 plus 3.2 is 6.7. Minus 30.642 into 3.2, this is not there. Minus 20 into this full length, that is 9.7. About this point. Plus 10 into 3.1. Minus 18.126 into 6.7. Minus 8.452 into 3.1. Minus 25.981 into 3.2. Plus 15 into 3.15 into 3.1. this into 0, this is not there. Minus 17.101 into 3.1, that way I took the moment, I got VB, I got exactly VB, 74.381 kilonewton. Then I am happy that means there is absolutely no mistake in the reaction calculation. Okay, now star sketch I will write and we will go to usual. Now you can enjoy, but this question also I will explain. Okay. I will make the star sketch ready. I made a very neat entry. Everything I explained for you. I told you, see, if you don't put such a big hinge here, see, if you enter 15 here, it will overlap with the member. You can make out. That all precaution you have to take. Okay, then, see, enter. Here, you know that, see, real reaction RB is like this. See here, you can make a small note here. Real RD is like this. Light line right here. This is real RD is like this. But instead of that way, we will resolve into RD sin 50, RD cos 50. Now you know the value of RD, substitute and get this answer. Okay, start. Now decide how we will go. First do one thing, take photo 1. See, photo 1. Full this one, take photo. Now, I will start from A, easiest joint, A. See, A, if I start from A, I will get force in these two members. Then I will go to H. Only two unknowns are there. I will get force in these two members. Then I will go to G. See, G. I will get force in these two members. B will not go. See, it is like a big city circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like 7 roads are meeting. No. We will avoid B. B we will use for checking purpose. So now do one thing, slash means from left side over now, we will change your right side. This provision is not there. If both are hinged support, then you are not finding reactions, then you have to start from other side. That I will tell you later. Okay, now change it here. Start from D. Very easy joint, D. When you go to D, you will get force in these two members. Once you finish D, go to E. You will get force in these two members. Then come to, see here you can't, yes, now, over. Come to C, okay. Come to C here, C, yes, correct, C. When you come to C here, you will get force in these two members. Lastly, one member is pending. You can go to F or B. B will eliminate, we will go to F. We will get force in this member. Okay, then lastly, one joint we are not gone, B, we will apply chuck. Okay, make a note. This is this. See, you can make this right, you should understand. You cannot write it. Then how many photos you will take? Okay, now start. Consider equilibrium of joint A. Come here, joint A. Oh, if you see here, there are 3 forces are there, of which 2 are collinear. So, you need not solve. What you can do is, see here, I will do anything. You need not solve here. But actually, if it is an examination, you have to write something, that sketch you have to write. If it is an objective question paper, no. See, 20 down, up. Then immediately opposite here. 20 kilonewton, 0. I told 3 force rule. If there are 3 forces at a joint, of which if 2 are collinear, see this joint you are seeing, collinear forces are equal and opposite, other is 0. But today we will not use it. We will use it later. So remove, don't see here now. See, start. PAH, PAD, sigma V0. PAH minus 20 equal to 0. PAH is plus 20. PAB, sigma H0, PAB 0. Come here. PAH we assumed away from the joint. Correct. Enter here. Other one is 0. This is a very easy joint, just very fast over. Okay, next joint, again I am finding difficult here. Okay, now next. This 56.516 is troubling me. I will put here. I want some space here. Equal to how much? 56.516 kilonewton. Not much space. Little space I got. Okay. 516 kilonewton. Okay. I will not use this. Come this side. Okay. This side I will not come. Now start. Next, consider. Don't think. Immediately take photo. Take photo 2. So you can make out now. After joint A is over, how much is the progress? Okay, take photo 2. Next, go to equilibrium of joint H. I told, after A, we told H. H. See here. Joint H. Put a pin. A right side force of 10 kilonewton. Then, one downward force, which before that one thing, put light line, horizontal and vertical lines. Okay. Downward force of, it is a member force, red color, but it is a known force, PHA. So I will do one thing, I will write black. When I write black means what? Even though it is a member force, writing black means known value, equal to how much? 20 kilonewton. Okay, 20 kilonewton. Then, one member force this way, one member force this way. For that inclined member, write the angle here. 45.939 degrees. 939 degrees. Okay. Now, this force is PHG. PHG. This force is PHB. This is PHB. Okay. Now, I will tell you how to decide correct direction. See, those who find difficulty do one thing, assume any direction, either acting towards the joint or acting away from the joint. Solve. If negative comes, if positive comes, when you go to entry here, enter in the same direction as assumed. If negative comes, enter in the opposite direction without sign. This I will not tell now. Okay. Now, see here. This is acting down. When this is acting down, these two are horizontal forces. Only this can balance here. This has to be this way. See, no other way. Now, if you resolve here, see, now, in case you resolve that force, cos, sine. Okay, sigma. Now, vertical equilibrium, you get direction. Next, horizontal equilibrium. See here, this is not there. 10 is right side. When this is 20, this force is surely more than 20. Why? This force into sine theta is this 20. It is more than 20, maybe around 35, etc. Then its horizontal component will be around how much? 22, 24, like that. So still this is predominant. This is more than this one. So surely for equilibrium, this should be this way. See, you require a support for 10. This is how you decide. You will understand this one if you thoroughly study. Okay, start. Sigma, one horizontal, one inclined means first sigma V0. See, inclined you cannot eliminate. Horizontal you can eliminate by sigma V0. Take upward positive. I won't write positive now. Okay, start. If I see, usually red color for unknown. Plus PHB into sine of PHB. Okay, okay. Plus PHB into sine of 45.939 positive minus 20 equal to 0. Therefore, you get the value of PHB. divided by sine 45.939. 27.832 plus 27.832 plus 27.832 kilonewton plus came. Then sigma H equal to 0, take right side positive, plus PHG See how much patience I have got. Nobody will explain this way for sixth question. They will tell you do it if you want. And such a big question nobody will take. So that patience, etc., I am showing for your benefit. You should understand that one. Plus PHG, then minus PHB into cos, how much? 45.939. Then plus 10 equal to 0. This is not there. Substitute for which one? For PHB. Substitute for PHB, whatever you got. Therefore, you get the value of PHG. PHG, how much you got? 27.832 into cos of 45.939. That component is 19 point something into minus 1 plus 10 equal to that side 9.355 plus 9.355. 355 kilometer. Immediately go to the joint. See, force in this member we took acting towards the joint. See, this way. Answer came plus 27.832. Correct. Force in this member at this joint we took acting away from the joint. Again we got positive plus 9.355. One minute. I do not want to take a chance here. 20 divided by sine of 45.939. 27 point something into cos of 45.939. 19 something minus 10 is minus 10. Oh, sorry. Calculate. When I took minus 10, it took only 1. 27.832 into cos of 45.939 equal to minus 10 is 9.355. Correct. Perfectly correct. Now do one thing. To understand, if I forget also, take photo 3. Take this photo. Okay, then consider equilibrium of joint. We decided to go to G. Actually, G is one of the easiest joint. Okay, start G. Put a pin. That much big pin is not required. Okay, 1 minute. Little big pin. Write big pin only. Because why? Because there are mix up like a pin. Down 80 vertical line and horizontal line. Okay. Down of 18.126. 18.126 kilonewton. Then 1/4 left side. Actually it's acting here only, but I am shifting here. 8.452. 8.452 kilonewton. Is it 452 correct or 542? Sometimes is there 452, 542 gives trouble. 8.452 correct. My photo is there. 452 correct. 452. Then one member force this side, which is this way. See, even though see member force this way, but it is a known force. So what I will do? PGH. I will write black. PGH equal to 9.355 kilonewton. Then one unknown member force here. One unknown member force here. Here. Now, direction. See here. This is down. So guaranteed this is up. How much? P GB. GB. Then this is 9.355. This is 8.452. Both are acting left side. This has to act right side. PGF. PGF. This time, no resolution, direct answer. See, sigma V equal to 0. Take upward positive. what you get? Plus PGB minus 18.126 equal to 0. Therefore, your PGB equal to plus 18.126 kilonewton. Then sigma H equal to 0, right side positive, plus PGF minus 9.355 minus 8.452 equal to 0. Therefore, you get the value of PGF. How much? 9.355. Another one is plus 8.452. 17.807 positive plus 17.807 kilonewton. Okay. Now write. Now go to joint G. See there. This force we took acting away from the joint, PGF. Positive came. Correct. See. Now clear why I shifted this force. If I entered the force here, confusion. See, member force is there. Once you enter here, opposite here. How much? 17. This is 17.807. 17.807 kilonewton. And this is, we took, coming to the joint, positive came, correct. Immediately opposite here. How much? Why should I see how much? 18.126 kilonewton. Okay, now if you want, you can come to joint B. But remember, it is like a big, in a city, somewhere, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, we don't want it. We will avoid B. We will change the side. I will go to now change the side. See, I told you. We will change the side. We will go to D from that side now. Okay, D. I will enter D and then take a small break. Break means I will take rest for 5 minutes. D. See here. Put a pin. See, one upward force of 67.353. 67.353 kilonewton. Then one left side force of 50. Actually, I forgot right here. This is a joint D. I wrote there. It is 56.516 kilonewton. Then one unknown member force here. One unknown member force here. See, actually here principle of 4 forces is applicable. 4 forces of which 2 sets are collinear. Then this is collinear to this one. This is collinear here. Equal opposite. See here, if I enter here, up 67, down. How much? 67.353 kilonewton. Left side here, right side here, 56.516 kilonewton. So, but still I will not do it here. I will take it here. See, up, I will take it down here. P, D, E. I will take this way. P, D, C. Start. No inclination, nothing. All pure horizontal. See, there is no resolution here. Sigma V0, take upward positive. Minus PDE plus 67.353 equal to 0. Therefore, you will get PDE equal to plus 67.353 kilonewton. Then sigma H equal to 0, take right side positive, plus PDC minus 56.516 equal to 0. Therefore, PDC equal to plus 56.516 kilonewton. Come here, enter. We took this way down, acting to the joint. PDE plus 67, see, entered, already entered here. We took this way, plus came, already entered. Take one more photo. Photo 4. Okay. If I forget, next time you take photo. Next, consider equilibrium of joint E. Equilibrium of joint E. Okay, now I'll do one thing now. I'll take a small break. I will write and explain. I should also require some rest in between. Small break for me. Continue. Next joint E, I already wrote there. See, 17.101. One total you require, I told already, 17.101, 46.985. One known force for ED this way of 67.353. One unknown here, one unknown here. See, correctly. Down 46, up 67. These two together will give net upward force. So to balance, this should be down. Guaranteed down. Okay. Now, this will give left component. This also is left. This left and this left together will add up and will become again left. So right. Now you can understand easily. Sigma V0 minus PEC sine of this angle minus this force plus this force equal to 0, you get PEC sigma H0 plus PEF minus this force into cos theta minus 17.101 equal to 0. Why waste time? Substitute for that PEC, you get PEF. Immediately make a note there. What you do? Immediately, okay, see. Go to the main sketch. Here, which joint? E joint. See, I am standing here only. PEF, you took this way, coming to the joint. Positive. Correct. Opposite here. 38.126. I will tell you lastly, 1 minute. Then, PEC, we took going away from the joint. Again positive. Correct. How much? 29.273 kilonewton. Okay, now next we decided joint, which one? After E, we decided joint C. Okay, joint C. Equilibrium of joint C. Okay. 1 minute. Take photo. Photo 5. This will give progress now, up to where you have done it. Every class, when you solve my question, you take a photo. Okay. Then, and have a hard copy attached there. So you can make out step by step how you are going. Okay, C. See here, which joint? C. C, correct? Yes. See. It's a bigger hinge here. Okay. This is C. One down of 30.642. One left side, don't write here because why? See here, member force is coming. One more member force, this is a member force. See, these are member forces. So don't write here. Slightly shift it here, 25.712. Then, one force coming to the joint, 56.516, that is force for CD. But black color, why? Known. Force for CD equal to, how much you got? 56.516. 56.516 kilonewton. 1 minute. Camera problem. I'm getting doubt whether out of camera. No, plenty of space is there. And then, that's all. One more force is there. Which one? Sorry, C joint. One more. Going away from the joint. See here. One more going away. I can write here, no problem. PCD equal to 56.516. Space is there. Kilonewton. Then, this is PCE. But the black color, why? Already known. PCE equal to 29.273. 29.273 kilonewton. For this member, angle 44.091 degrees. not 91 degrees. If you resolve, see, cos sine. Then one unknown force horizontal, one vertical. Okay. Now see correctly. This is P for CB. Other is P for CF. This is PCF. Direction, see, is it possible? See, 29.273 into sine of this one will be maybe 23, 20, 22, 23. But this is 30 is there. This 30 is bigger than this one. So, among these two, net force is down. So, surely this is up. See? Guaranteed up. You take whatever you want. Okay, then. This is 29.273, right? Oh, no, see here. 56 and 25, two heavy forces are acting this way. That is not sufficient to balance. This should be like this. See? That will give you a correct idea. Okay. Now, sigma V0 upward positive plus PCF plus 29.273 sine of 44.091 minus 30.642 equal to 0. Therefore, you get the value of PCF. Okay, then sigma H0 right side positive plus PCB minus 25.712, correct? 712? 25.712, correct? 712 minus 56.516, then plus 29.273 into cos of 44.091 equal to 0. Therefore, you get the value of PCB. That is 29.273. Calculator is not on. 273 into sine of 44.091, that is 20 upwards, minus 30.642 plus 10.274. $25.712 plus 56.516 minus 29.273 into cos of 44.091, 61.203 plus 61.203 kilonewton. Okay, come here. See, we took force in this member, see, this member, away from the joint, PCF, positive came. Enter the answer here. Opposite here, how much? 10.274. Force in this member, we took coming to the joint, again positive, correct. See, how much? 61.203 kilonewton. But I want to check it actually. I don't want to take a chance. 29.273 into cos 44.091 minus 56.516 minus, no, something went wrong. 29.273 into cos of 44.091 equal to minus 56.516 minus 25.712 is 61.203, correct. That is 30.642 minus 10.274 divided by 1. Okay. Then this is, which one you are doing? Unknown. 30.642. One force missing there. 10.274. No, we are calculating that one. No, okay. 30.642 minus 29.273 into sine of 44.091. 10.274. Okay, correct. 274. Okay, now take photo 6. Okay, now we are reaching the end of the question. Next, make a note. One joint pending. Now, last one member pending. See, this member. Okay, I rub. Okay, now, consider equilibrium of joint. See, this member pending. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think F, you decided F only. Joint F. Yeah, see, little bigger joint. Okay, no problem. This way. 25.981. 981 kilonewton. Then 38.126 this way. This is a known member force, that is PFE equal to 38.126 kilonewton. One force 15 kilonewton here. Outside acting. Actually acting here only. Then one more force this way. That is PFG. Already known, 17.807 kilonewton. Then one vertically known force down, PFC equal to 10.274 kilonewton. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5. Just one unknown force here. This one. Direction, if possible, decide. I can decide. See, 25 and 10 both are acting down. There is no other force acting up. Therefore, for equilibrium, this should be up. FB. For that one, the angle with the horizontal is, anywhere you can mark angle, I will mark here angle. 45.532. 45.532 degrees. So, cos and sine, you know it. Now, see, only one unknown. You can, see, it's an inclined force. Sigma V will do, sigma H will do. Okay, we will do sigma V0. If I do sigma V0, take upward positive, it is plus PFB sine 45.532, correct? Yes, correct. 532 minus 10.274 minus 25.981 equal to 0. That's all. Yes, this is not there, this is not there, this is not there. Okay. Therefore, you get the value of PFB in kilonewton. .274 plus 25.981 divided by sine 45.532. Sine 45.532, correct? I am getting worried because of calculator problem. Plus 50.803. Plus 50.803 kilonewton. Okay, over. Come here. Which joint? This is joint is F joint. F and the joint F. This member you took like this. If it is that positive came, see, opposite here. Same. What direction you took? Same. How much? 50.803 kilonewton. Over. Okay, now 1 minute. See. Just now, I got this answer. Just you slightly go back and see my reaction. I just told, just a minute, and I stopped there. I will tell the reason why I stopped. I know this is wrong. My instinct told me, because see, I will tell you, this is actually not required for you. I will tell how I came to know it is wrong. See, usually, see here, 25.981 and 10.274. 25.981 plus 10.274. Total is 36.255. 36.255 is net downward force. Divide by sine will give this answer. See, divide by sine. Divide by sine 45.532 gave me 50.803. 36 became 50. Actually, remember, you can also solve by, see, only one unknown is there. Even sigma h also will do. See, even sigma h also will do. I'll do one thing. Or, see here. Okay, some space problem is there. I'll do one thing. I'll try to shift it here. Okay, see, first, sigma V0, take upward positive. What you get? Plus PFB sine 45.532 minus 25.981 again minus 10.274 equal to 0. Therefore, you will get PFP equal to, the answer will come 25.981 plus 10.274 is total 36. See, this number actually came to my mind. Divide by sine 45.532. 50.803. See, I entered the answer here. 50.803. See there? Plus 50.803 kilonewton. See? At that time, then I entered this answer. Then, suddenly I told, just a minute, and stopped. I know it's wrong. Or, see here, or you make a note here, only one unknown. Sigma V over, if it is purely vertical, sigma V0. If the only unknown is horizontal, sigma H0. If it is inclined, anything will do. Or, see, right here, or. Make a note here. Instead of sigma V0, you can even apply sigma H also 0. Right side positive. I will tell same answer has to come. See the finger? Same answer has to come. 0.00102 is always there. You will get what? Plus, see, don't see this answer. Instead of sigma V0, if you make sigma as 0, see, plus PFB cos 45.532 this way, plus 15, then minus 17.807, minus, not minus, then see, minus 38.126 equal to 0. Therefore, you will get PFB from, even you get PFB from this also, kilonewton. Okay, now, I will tell you why I told just a minute and left. I know it is wrong because, see, this is 36.255 unbalance. Divide by sine 45.532, it gave me 50.803. Sigma H unbalance is, I counted here, see, sigma H, without this one, sigma H unbalance is 38 plus 17. See, I saw there, 38 plus 17 is 55. 55 and little more, see. I can make out 38 plus 17 is 55. Minus 15 is 40. 40 unbalance. So vertical unbalance is 36. Horizontal unbalance is 40. But of course, cos will come. I know wrong because 45 degrees, 45.532 is very nearly equal to 45. Sin 45 equal to cos 45. So, when you divide by sin 45, And when you do sigma is 0, see, now you are divided by cos 45. Slight change will come. I know 36 when it 40, it is 100% wrong. See now, what I will get now? See, 17.801 plus 38.126 minus 15 divided by cos of 45.532. 58.425 I got. Plus 58.425 kilonewton. That is the answer I got by sigma. That means if I do sigma V0, I am getting 50.8. If I do sigma H0, I am getting 58. I know it will come. See, when unbalanced of 36 gave you 50, unbalance of what? How much it is? I told already answer. 38 plus 17, 55 minus 15 is 40. Unbalance of little more than 40 will give much more. So I am so sure it is wrong. I stopped the recording. Immediately I came this side. See, reaction I am not checked because I will tell you why I am not checked. I took moment about B, I got this reaction. Then I took moment about this point, I got that reaction. And see, I took moment about B, I got that reaction. Sigma V0, I got this reaction. When I took moment about B, my personal check, I got first this answer. 74.381 only came. So I am so sure, absolutely, there is no mistake. Reaction. See, if reaction is wrong, answer will not come. Then see, I took red color and started. See that tick mark. Now I won't write. I used my own talent of what? This way. Not writing anything, observing. I checked here. Right, correct. This is, I don't have to check it here. Then I come to what? This point. I did calculation, see. Right. I got right. See, tick mark you can see here. Got it. Then I went to this point. This point. Tick mark. At this point I want. Here checking is not required because 4 force principle is applicable here. Leave it. Ticked. Anyway, ticked here. I ticked here also. Then I came with joint. Then I came to joint. C. C I checked. C also ticked. I forgot tick actually. I ticked C. Again I got 10.274. Then I wrong. I know it's wrong. What is wrong? What is wrong? How? See, in my class, it cannot happen. I told 50.803, maybe 50.801, 50.8, 50.802, 50.803, or even 50.806 also will do because so many approximations are there, but not 58. I got upset. I stopped the recording. I removed the camera also. Removed the camera, took a photograph, went inside. I correctly saw what is wrong. I know something is wrong. It cannot be technical. It cannot be technical. I will never make technical mistake. Someone may tell, arrogant person, okay, leave it. Overconfident. It is called confidence. Then what is wrong? What is wrong? Where to find? So, very casually, I thought, is the angles correct? See, if angles are wrong, gone case. So I checked this angle, correctly came. Check this angle. See, this angle is tan inverse of 3.1 by 3.5. Make a note here. You make a note now. This angle, see, for the middle member, angle is tan inverse of 3.1 by 3.5. 3.1 by 3.5. Shift tan inverse answer. 41.532. See, 532 is here. In the calculator display, see in the light, you see here, if I stand here, that see, it is sometimes due to light problem, that one, see already 5 is there. I mistook this for 5. So it's actually 41.5, see, 532 came, see 532 here, decimal is correct. It is not 45, it is 41.532. Make a note here. This angle is 41.532. 532 degrees, right here, correction. Okay, correction. 40, now see, now it is not 45 degrees, 41.532. Then, see, luck favors it favored me. This joint I never came, so no problem. This is the last joint I considered. This 1.532, just now I considered. Suppose I have considered earlier, see, instead of going to see after joint D, E, instead of going to where C, if I had gone to F, then cumulative mistake would have happened. I can see go to F also. Then here I would have problem. So I know, therefore, make a note here, this angle is wrong. See, even you can see 5.3. I told I should first change this calculator. Display is very bad. And light, it reflects. And see decimals you can see, 532 is there. 41, that 1, I mistook it for 5. This is not called technical mistake. I told this is writing mistake. So, make a note now. This angle is 41.532 degrees. Now, it is 41.532. This will come. Let me see now. How much? 25.981 plus 10.274 divided by sine of 41.532. 54.680. See, 54.680 kilonewton. Or here I will get, again see, mistake. How much angle? 41.532. Now I will get, let me see, 15 minus 17.801 minus 38.126 divided by cos of 41.532. Some calculation on 15 minus 17.801 minus 38.126, correct, divided by cos of 41.532. 54.672. 54.672. It came 54 point, red color, 54.672. Make a note here. 54, 54, 66, 78. 0.01 difference. Not even 0.01, 0.008 difference. See? 0.008 difference. That is almost 0.01. Okay. That much difference is possible because, see, rounding of the angle. When I found reaction, divided by how much? See, minus RD sine 50 into this distance I divided. Decimal scheme. Even for RD also, I rounded to third decimal. So therefore, now it is okay, no problem. Therefore, come back here, enter this as what? I enter the first value only. See, I enter this value only. One value, okay. 54, first value, 54.680 kilonewton. Is 680 correct? I'll check once again. 25.981 plus 10.274 divided by sine 41.532. Okay, 54.680. Okay, over. Now see, 54.680, other way came 54.67. So many places, if we get 680, we get 480 here. This highest accuracy. Okay, done. Now make a note, entered here. So this correction. Now, lastly make a note. Now see, I know, see, when I checked everything, answer tallied. Everywhere correct, everything. Still this joint is not coming correctly. I actually got frustrated. I know there is some mistake. It cannot be reaction mistake. Why? Because reaction wrong, I checked the reaction. Okay. And resolution mistake is no problem. Why? If resolution is wrong, I am solving for wrong values. That is not a problem. Then it occurred to me only one thing. Only possibility is angle mistake. Checked it, correct. Checked it, correct. See, 41.532. Okay, now, lastly, over. Everything is over. Make a note here. Make a note. See, these all I am taking chances. Okay, just make a note. So far, this much we have done. Why don't we check right here? Why don't we check at the joint with joint B? Joint B, which I have not gone so far. Okay, no, I will put a sketch here. Joint B, I will put a sketch. Okay, I will put a sketch here. Now everything is known there, but I won't write, see here. Now no naming. 18 point was a little big required. Okay. 18.126. No, all are black color. 126 kilonewton. See, then 74.381. One kilonewton. On the right side of 82.781. One left side force is 0. Leave it. 61.203. $54.680. Which has got an angle of how much? And one more is there. See, one more from this side. 27.832. For this one, angle is 45.939. For this angle is, now corrected angle, 41.532. Okay. This is the joint which, see, this is your joint E. Not joint E, joint B. Joint B. Where you are not gone. See, just because you are not gone joint B, it should be in equilibrium. Okay, check it. Calculate what is sigma V. You calculate. I will dictate and calculate. See. Upward positive. Okay. I'll take upward positive. See, I told point not something. Even point not one also okay. But minute error should come. If you calculate that way, it will come. See, I'll start from here. See, minus 27.832 into sine of 45.939 minus 18.126 minus 54.680 54.680 it is, no degree, 680 kilonewton, 680 into sine 41.532. Okay, then anything else? What, something wrong there? It is giving something wrong there. See, minus 27.832 into sine of 45.939 minus 18.126 minus 54.680 into sine of 41.532 74 plus 74.381 point minus point not 5 knots and 13. Oh, 0. Calculate sigma h. Right side. I got the confidence. See, without confidence, nobody will do it. They will escape it. I got the courage. Not only in this subject, any subject, mechanics, strength of material, structures, or RCC, steel, pretest concrete, matrix method, finite element method, whichever I handle, I show same confidence. So I will tell answer has to come means come. See, when I do software class, after modeling, before modeling I will get the answer. I will tell the software, software, you have to give same answer to me. Otherwise, you are wrong. But the software cannot be wrong. It will give. Okay, sigma h plus 27.832 into cos of 45.939. This is not there. Minus 54.680 into cos of troublemaker angle 41. I think calculate. I not close the bracket. 27.832 into cos of 45.939 equal to minus 54.680 into cos of 41.532 equal to then minus 61.203, then plus 82.781, 0.00358. Not equilibrium. Actually, remember, you also same thing. Understand the concept. See, printing mistake, nobody can do anything. See, this oversight all, but I can find out the mistake. See, if mistake is there, I can find out. I was not worried. I got desperate. So much carefully I have done, still some trouble. It always happens. In this method of joint, long, big trusses, especially when decimal numbers are there too much, some one small button this side, that side problem. Okay, now, this I told, ultimate master question. Thoroughly practice. The purpose of giving this question is you get maximum benefit. You see your doubts when a force comes here, see overlapping with the member, and one inclined roller. So many things are there in this question. So easy question we solve later. See, once we finish another 2-3 classes, I am doing little lengthy questions. One question per class. Once I finish all that one, then marathon, see, per class, 4 or 5 questions I will do. I don't have to tell every time, consider the equilibrium. That all you can do then. I will give question here, get the reaction, take my calculator, keep on telling you how I am proceeding further, and you practice and get the answer. Therefore, now thoroughly study this one and get ready for next question. Thank you. Next class we will meet.